What does it mean when I say I went out on a limb to protect somebody's reputation?
I went all the way possible to protect somebody's character.
Okay, that's true, but there's another piece to that. You went all the way
to save somebody,
but what did you do to yourself in the process?
Beyond the limitation.
I injured myself.
You enjoyed yourself. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm not sure if that's the exact definition. Okay, what do you say here?
I took all the risk in order to protect someone's life.
Risk is the important piece to that. Okay, but this is the pink group. Okay. Thank you. Now, why is it a risk? Here's an interesting thought. You go out on a limb, but if you're thinking of a limb as an arm or a leg, which is also a limb, you don't get the expression. But it's the limb of a tree. What happens if you go all the way out on the limb of the tree? You could fall. So you're putting yourself in a risky situation, and this will all be in your notebook that I'll give you. You're putting yourself in a risky situation where there's a chance you might fail, but you're willing to do that. So if you go out on a limb for somebody, you're putting yourself in a dangerous situation or a risky situation.